Good afternoon, dear students. So, welcome to our RV annual classes. In today classes, I will teach that fifth standard. So, that is the same chapter. So, multiple science factors in exercise 4D. So, today classes that is the remaining part of the exercise 4D. Today we have discussed that exercise 4D. The remaining part in 4D means so first mean in that is find LCM, SCF. Already we have discussed in previous classes. Students, you know the SCF full form of the highest common factor. So in LCM, the least common multiple. So in today classes we have discussed the exercise 4D. Students, in today classes exercise 4D. So first main already we have completed in today classes, that is find SCF and LCM. Today's classes find the SCF and LCM. Can you see here? In second main. So exercise 4D. So that is the second main, that is what? So you find the SCF and LCM. Students, you have to find it. LCM and SCF means in SCF and LCM. Students, just you have to recall that full form of SCF and LCM, you know the full form of SCF is the highest common factor, so LCM is the least common multiple. Yes, so students, can you already you have solved for in previous classes, that is SCF problems, and applied that highest means SCF problems in today classes. So I will discuss that in SCF and LCM. So that is the first given 6,900, 6,090, sorry, 693. Next is 1,000, 1,078, 1,078. First you have to, this is use the common division method. So first you have to write the numbers in, use the symbol in the L symbol of LCM. First students, so first. So first I will use the division method in art. So given the together the two questions, so I will separate. I will division to now. So that is a common division method. So that is the common factor on the left side, students. So first I will solve it first separate. So for 693, I will solve in common division method. So first I will write the LCM in that is the L shape, that is L shape, the symbol. Okay, so first we have to multiply, that is divisible by 2. So 2 is not, because students, you know that is the unit places is given to 3, so you don't take the two numbers. You have to take in, that is the next number, that is 3. So 3 means, you know, 3 2s are, yes student, divisible, 3 2s are 6, 3 2, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Yes. So again that is the 1, that is divisible by 3, because the unit basis is 1. So count to all, that is 6, because divisible 6 is divisible by 3. So you have to multiply, that is the common division in 3. So next student, 3 is 2 number, you have to take it. 3 7s are 21, 2 is left, 2 1 21 again. 3 7s are again 21. So that is 77. So 77 is, that is a co-prime number. So we have to take, that is in 11. So 11 7s are 77. So 7 ones are 7 students. So that is a, so 60, 693. These is the multiple. These are factors. So 11. The 3 is a 9, 9 is a so 9 11s are 99, 99 7s are the 693. So I have to write the factors. So 3 into 3 into, that is 11 into 2. Okay, students, given this question is what the find the SCF. How do you solve the SCF? Means first you have to, because these two numbers is given the 3 or 4 digit number, you have to first in common division, you have to separate, you will do the that common division SCF. Okay, so next 1778, yes, students. So this is the 2 is the unit places. So you have to take indivisible by 2. Yes. So 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 2 3 is 6, and that 2 9 is 18. 2 9 is 18. Students can you observe? So 9 is unit places. So you have to take that better in 9. So first next you have to take in 3. 3 is not divisible because that 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. So you have to just to recall the rule of the divisible by 3 means you count all digits. So divisible by 3 means that is the 3, but not because this 5 plus 3 plus 9 or total is 17. So 17 is not divisible by 3. Better you have to take the 7 students. So 7 7 sevens are, yes, students, you know, 7 sevens are 49. So 4 is left, again 49. So again 7 sevens are 49. Lost 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Because 7 is, that is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 also prime number, because now to take that same digit number, 11 ones are 11. So students, can you observe that 1078, that is a factor of 2 into 7 into 7 into, that is 11. So students, question 1 for you have to find the SCF and the LCM. To find the SCF and the LCM. So now, can you see that now? 693 is equal to the 3 into 3 into 11 into 7. So next 1078 is equal to 2 into 7 into 7 into, that is 11. Students, so can you think that first you have to find the SCF, because given that SCF. So SCF means, you know, that is highest common factor. The SCF is that is a highest common factor. So SCF is highest common factor means, students, what is the common that is number? You know, 7 is here common. So here 7 is common. Again 11 is common. 11 is common. So you have to write here. So that is 11 into 11 means 2 7 means, now consider for one number. That is the rule of the SCF. So 7 into these two number you have to consider. Again these two you have to consider for 11 students. You know that 3 square 11 into, because 3 is a 2 term is multiple, here the 2 into 7 square, that is the 11. Students, can you observe here? So 7 here 2 time came, here 1, so you have consider for 1, because I will consider here 1 common. I will take the highest common number. Next I will take 2. 7 is common, because I will return. Oh, that is a difference between of the SCF and LCM is, that is LCM is you take that, you have to take in highest common number. So that is one. So 77. Students, the SCF is 77. Okay. So then you have to find LCM. You have to find that LCM. Students, in LCM means, can you observe for here? So that into 7 is, so 7 into 7 into 11. So yes, now you have to take for SCF, students. So SCF means, can you observe here? So here 3 and here 3, what is, students, how many times is multiple? Here 3 raised to, so you have to take in 1 3. You have to take for that 3 square is, what is the value? 3 square is, so you have to take in 9, because this row complete you have to take in, that is 2. Okay students, next. So next is this is the common. But here 7 square, there 7 raised to 1, because you have to, upside is 7, down is 7 square, because you have to consider here 2 7 students. here upside is 1 7. So across in the second row 1 7 because we have to consider so 2 7s. So next that is in common. You have to take 1 11. You have to multiply that now. 9 2 is 18. 18 9 2 is 18. 18 7 is 56. So 7 is 7. That is 36. Next you have to 7. 7 is 21. 25. 9. Next you have to multiply in 11. Students, what is that result? So that is a 9 into 7 into 7 into 11 into, that is a total result is 1078 because we have to multiply here. The result is 1078 because you know there is not difference in there. SC, LCM, that is 2. That is 7 is how many times have to multiply? 2 times because I will have to write per year in 2 times, students. Okay, next students, already I will find that first. Especially we have to find the in SF and LCM means given to depend upon to, that is the question, students. Given to small numbers means you have to find the you have to common methods using 2 at a time numbers, but here given can also students 3-digit number here given here the 4-digit, but I will separate. I will use the common division method. This 693 and 1078. So the factor of 3 into 3 into 7. The first I will find the SCF. SCF means I will in the first row and first row column and second row column which number have which, that is which number have that is a common. I written that is the SCF because 7 is a common of the both. So 11 is a common of the both because I written that 7 into 7, that is the 77. The SCF of the SCF of the 693 is, that is SCF is 77. So in the common and the LCM means that is LCM only told that what that is LCM, that is the least common multiple. The least common multiple means you have to take that all in first row and second row because 9 into 2 into 7 into 7, that 11. So this is LCM, student. So this is the second main. So now I will solve two in the second main. So in the remaining problems you have to solve for in your own, student. The remaining problems is I will give to homework. Okay. So next question in third. So third, can you observe, students, that is given the word problem. In next methods, so already A already solved, B and C and D homework. So in solve to in the same, I will already solve that method only have to solve it because same method. Okay. So in the 3 questions, students, once again, that first the product of two given numbers is equal to the product of their SCF and LC. SCF and LC. Yeah. Since you know the product of the two numbers is given, so is equal to, that is what, the product of their SCF and LCM. So students, don't forget the one formulas. The product of numbers is equal to the SCF into LCM. Students, can observe this, the product of the two numbers. So this is the formulas. Don't forget. So the product of the two numbers is given. So product of the LCM and SCF. First, that's so what is the product of the two numbers is equal to the SCF and LCM. So you have to find in sometime in SCF. So you have to write the formulas in the LCM. You have to find the formulas in SCF means you use the you apply these formulas. Students, you have to find the LCM means we will apply this formula. This is the formula of LCM. The LCM is equal to the product of the two numbers by SCF. So sometimes you have to find in sometime in SCF means. So the SCF is equal to the product of two numbers by LCM. Students, can you observe that this is the formulas? You don't forget, students. So because this you have to find in the product of the two numbers means there is the formulas. The product of the two numbers is equal to SCF into LCM. So sometimes you have to find in SCF means the SCF is equal to the product of the two numbers by LCM. So you have some questions you have to follow in that SCF means the SCF is equal to the product of the LCM. You have to find the LCM means that is the by is SCF. You find for that SCF means that is in the product of the two numbers by LCM. Students, you don't forget this is very important for these three formulas. So now I will solve in these three formulas apply. I will solve to one question, students. Can you observe for in the third question? So question number third. The product of the two numbers is, students. So can you see question number third? Product of two numbers. The product of the two numbers 2160 SCF is 12. So find their LCM. Find their LCM. Students, can you see for here? What is the question? So these three formulas you have to apply. So which formula for here applying? Can you think for students? First you have to write the solution. So students, can you see in the question the product of the two numbers? The product of the two numbers is this 2160. Students, can you observe the product of the two numbers is 2160. Next question, what? If SCF is, so SCF is one given, SCF is 12. So you find the LCM. Find the LCM. Students, question is what? The product of the two numbers. The product of the two numbers. The product of the two numbers. The product of the two numbers is you have to consider. So because given already that 2160. Next question, what that if SCF is what, students? Then SCF is that is a 12, but you have to find the LCM. Find the LCM means, students, can you observe this? You will use this formula, this or that formula. So yes, you use or you apply these formulas because that LCM is equal to the product of means in the product of two numbers. Better not write in direct in product. The product of two numbers by SCF. Students, so we have to finding now that is the LCM. The product of the two numbers, what is the value? 200, 2160. Students, you know the SCF. So you're finding LCM, but what is the value of the SCF? SCF is a 12. You have to write for the 12. Students will use that, you use the division or you use what method. So 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2. How to take at a time two numbers? We have to write here 0 because I will take them to now at a time two numbers, that is a 16. 2 adds the 16, so 0 adds it to. Next, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 8, 2 4s are 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 0 has a 2. Next, students, because you know SF is given that 12. Yes. The last one, 30. So 2 3 ones are 8, 3 ones are 3, 2 is came here that 24, 2 8s are 24, 0. Students, what is the LCM is 180. So students, once again I will repeat. The product of the two numbers is, you have to take that what is the value, the product of the two numbers is 2160. But if it's 2160, yes. Next, if SCF is, that what is the value of the SCF? So that is 12. So you have to find it, that is the LCM. Then, so first you have to write the solution, students. So first you have to write the formulas. What is the formula, students? You know, and use the formula to the LCM is equal to the product of the two numbers by SCF. So the product of the two numbers is, I will take two value 2160. So SCF means I will take that value, which is a 2. So next I will use the common division method, or I will use the division method, or better you have to use to COT method. So what is the value? So the LCM, what is the LCM? That is the 180 is the LCM of the two, the product of the two numbers, that is the LCM is 180. The LCM is 180. Students, in the next questions, so 4 5, that is the same, that is a method. So you have to solve it in your home, that is a. So next I will solve to in, that is some different question. So because you know 6 7 8 9 and 10 question I will upload. So that is the sixth question is very different. So now I will solve to in sixth one question. So again remaining questions I will give to homework. Okay. So that these solutions I will send it to in a PDF, students. Okay. Don't take for that tensions, because I will send it to that PDF for that solutions. Okay. So now. So now sixth one, find the smallest. Friends, can you see here? The common division method. Question was to find the smallest number divisible by. You know, students, what is the number of the very smallest divisible by number? So that is 2, because the divisible by 2 up to. So 25, I will already we have discussed it in previous classes. So question is what, to find the smallest number divisible by 15, 20, 24, 32 and 60. Yes, student, that is a 60. Find the smallest number divisible by 15, 20, 24, 32 and 36. So we'll use the common division method. So common division method, first we have to write the solution. So find the smallest divisible means you have to take that 2, that is the division. You have to divisible or division method we use the number that is a 2. So first you have to arrange the number, students. So 50, 20, 24, 32, 36. Yes. So this you use that common that is a LCM. So that we will calculate that. So LCM of LCM of, so that is you have to find the numbers of the LCM. So that is a LCM to find the smaller number divisible by the one number. Yes. So first I will arrange the numbers. So common division method, common divisions. So first you have next students, the common factor on the left. The common factor you don't take it. Better already told that the smallest divisible you have to take it in 2. So that is a 2. So 2 division that 15 not, because the 15 is that is a odd number. So we have to write in that it has 2. So next 20 as 2 ones are 2 0 as 2 because 2 times are 20. Next 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Next common that next 2 ones are 2, have to come to 1 here, that is a 2 6 are 12. Next 2 ones are 2 and come to here, that is a 2 8, 2 8 are 60. Next students, that is a divisible by 2. Again you have to take that the same number. So next 15 is not, because you already know it is a odd number. 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 is 60, 2 9 are 80. Next again you have to divisible in 2, because I already told that find the smallest number divisible by. So that is a 15, 20, 24 and 32. So next 15 you have to write as 2, 5 is not coming. So next is 3, 2 3s are 6. Next 2 4s are 8. Next 2, this is a 9 is not, because that is odd number. Students, next you have to take that is the next number is 3. What is the next divisible by 3? 3 3 5s are 50. 5 is not, as to write 3 ones are 3. So 4 is not, 3 3s are 9. Next students, now to take in again 3. 5 is not, so 4 is not, 3 ones are 3. Now to take in 5. Students, now we have to take that 5. 5 ones are 5, again 5 ones are 5. 1 ones are 1 has 2. 4 is as 2, 1 ones are 1 means 1. Okay, next. Last number that is you have to take in 4. Directly you have to take the students 4 in. 1 adjective, 1 ones, so 4 ones are 1. So students, can you observe here the that least number you have to already, that is the result is the least number. So now you have to require the numbers. So how many factors, students? 3 is how many time multiple, that is a 2 is the 3 time. So next is 3 into 5 into 4. Students, what is the result for now? That is how to multiple. 2 is how many time? 2 is a 3 time. 3 is a 2 time. So 5 into, I will take any direct numbers, because sometime I have to take in very less, 2 also take it. That also correct. But I will return here, that is direct 4. Okay, students, 2 2s are what? 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8, 24, 24 3s are 72, so 72 5s are 10, 35, 36. So again 4s are, because 4s are 0, 24, 12, 8. Yes, students, for the result. So that is a 1440. So that is the LCM of, that is the LCM of the 15, 20, 24, 32 and 36. The LCM is what? That is a 1440. Students, So again, same because seven question also in same, that is the same method. Find the greatest number. Greatest number means we have to take in students. In the sixth question is given what? Find the smallest number divisible by 15, 20 given, but 20, 24, 32 and 36. But here one, the find the greatest number. The find the greatest number. So find the greatest number we have to take in, that is a uh, find the greatest SCF, because you know 5 digit exactly divisible by 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Yes, you have to common SCF, not you use the same common LCM method. So that result that 120. So next question, in 8th question students, question was what, 8-1. So the same, the find the smallest number is the divisible by 44, 55 and 220. So leaving the that remainder is 5. So in the next questions, in the 7, 8, 9 and 10 questions, today's I'm leaving to. So home assignment students, okay, thank you. So next classes, so worksheet auto and you do yourself. So next classes I will started a new chapter, that is the 5th chapter in fraction. Okay students, and thank you.